Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gray, Local, and Long Distance Movers Near Me. When it comes to local moves in Gray, we've got the playbook down to a science. During a local move, we'll swing into action with our expert Gray local movers and top-notch equipment. From packing up your belongings with care to safely loading them onto our modern moving trucks, we'll handle every aspect of the move with precision and efficiency. Our goal is to make your relocation experience as seamless as possible. Unlike local moves, long-distance relocations require more meticulous planning and attention to detail. Our experienced Gray long-distance 3 movers will work closely with you to create a customized moving plan that fits your unique needs. From coordinating logistics to packing your belongings securely, we leave no stone unturned. We'll ensure that your precious items are protected throughout the journey and are using our top-quality packing materials and sturdy moving trucks equipped with advanced safety features. Our commitment to providing the best pricing for your budget sets us apart. We understand that long-distance moves can come with their share of financial considerations, and that's why we offer competitive rates and transparent pricing, ensuring that you get the best value for your money. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gray moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.